Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki chicken panini. It's chicken teriyaki panini. Everyone loves chicken teriyaki and everyone loves panini. So let's put them together. I'm making it using frying pan, so no need to prepare panini maker. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this teriyaki chicken panini. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 1 baguette, 1 onion, 2 chicken thigh, 2 tablespoons each of sake, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and butter, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, some shredded mozzarella as much as you like, and some salt and pepper. As always, all the cutting first. So baguette into 4. Then into half. Onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half and let's make very thin slices. Same for the other one. Let's just put it aside. And chicken. You can do it with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off. So let's remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. Then into half. Same for the other one. Some salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken. Dust with flour. Let's heat up about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat, and let's cook the chicken. Cover with the lid and 3 to 4 minutes on both sides. Looks good on both sides. Turn the heat to low. Sugar, sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Give it a mix. Heat back to medium and keep cooking until the sauce is cooked down to half. Looks good, so let's take them out. The sauce too. Time to assemble them into sandwiches. I'm sorry, I forgot to put this on the ingredients list, but some mayonnaise. On baguette and spread it out. Some onion on these 4, the bottom half. Chicken teriyaki, some teriyaki sauce. shredded mozzarella, and the top half on top. I'm using 2 frying pans. In the bigger one, 1 tablespoon of butter over medium-low heat. Then the sandwiches. And parchment paper, big enough to cover the sandwiches. Smaller frying pan on top. Then something heavy. And cook until the bottom side of the panini is nice and crispy. Cooked for 4 minutes. Let's check the bottom side. Looks good. Flip them over. Put 1 tablespoon of butter. Let's put it in the middle. Parchment paper back on. And the weight back on. The other side has been cooked for 3 to 4 minutes too. So let's check it. Looks good. Turn the heat off and it's done. Let me show you how it looks inside. Itadakimasu. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Teriyaki chicken panini is bread, but it's carb, so it goes here and it also covers the main. Kabocha no soup or any soup you like here. I think I want to have little more protein, so how about lettuce and egg salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!